Nature of solar energy, factors affecting the amount of solar radiation. Nature of solar energy. Solar energy is the energy from the sun. The sun's energy is produced by thermonuclear fusion. This consists of electromagnetic radiation ranging from short wavelength X-rays to long wavelength radio waves, with about 99% of it in the form of light, infrared and ultraviolet radiation. Not all of the solar radiation arriving at the edge of the Earth's atmosphere reaches the Earth's surface. About 30% is reflected back into space by atmospheric dust and by the polar ice caps. Another 47% is absorbed during the day by land and sea and becomes internal energy, i.e., it heats the Earth. At night, this is radiated back into space, as infrared, by the Earth as it cools down. A further 23% causes evaporation from the oceans to form water vapor that is carried upwards by convection currents as clouds. When it rains, some of this energy becomes gravitational potential energy of the water stored in mountain lakes and reservoirs, i.e., the source of hydroelectric power. About 0.2% causes convection currents in the air, creating wind power, which in turn causes wave power. Finally, 0.2% is absorbed by plants during photosynthesis and is stored in them as chemical energy, e.g. sugar. That is why plants are a source of biofuels. What is solar radiation? It is a form of energy from the sun in form of heat or light sent out as beams you cannot see. Factors affecting the amount of solar radiation. The amount of energy from the sun in form of heat or light sent out as beams you cannot see received at any point on the Earth's surface depends on 1. The geographical location. The amount of solar radiation falling annually in areas nearer the equator is more than the amount falling in areas far away from the equator. Point 2. The season. During the winter periods, the amount of solar radiation reduces than during the summer periods when it increases. Point 3. The time of the day. Solar radiation increases during the day when there is high sunshine intensity than in the evening when the intensity is low. Point 4. The altitude. The greater the height above the sea level, the less is the absorption of beams of energy by the atmosphere, clouds, and pollution. This article gives you a kind of enlightenment about what happens during solar radiation. With the above information, you will be able to determine and calculate the amount of energy from the sun in your area.